Marshall Shorty.
Gamey. Gamey wannabe. Dang, Irby! Gimme!
What?
You're Max! Freaking.
You just did it.
You're rich!
She was saying gimme before she even requested.
No, but
Get off bro's back.
I was just noticing you had money. I wasn't. Can I try to? Can you pay for me?
Yeah. No.
Placing swarm grenade. Swarm grenade out.
They will cover.
I'm trying. Don't kill all five.
He's in garage now.
Oh my gosh.
Tell me. Looking at me.
My turn.
The CP's here.
Headshot.
Trying to swing off your turret.
Too bad.
Nice, just in. That's bomb.
Spike down A.
They're both there, both there.
Yeah,
I'm
you're right.
gonna stay just in case he has a TP.
30 seconds left.
Breach is one shot.
Just live breach.
Yours 2 shot.
One's elbow.
One enemy remaining.
Bomba.
Spike down A.
It's also elbow.
10
He's
seconds
bomb elbow,
left.
yeah.
I don't know if he has flashes or not. Could be towards you, pitch.
Team A.
Very nice.
Nice job.
Good job. Dude, I should have died.
Remember, your weapon is.
I don't have a bind there, I die.
You can't just.
Oh my gosh.
You have to think.
I think I pop knives and just run it down mid. No. No,
No,
no.
no. More RR if you live. Think of the RR.
I know, but think of the clip.
Alright, this is the round though, right?
That broke.
Early.
Out.
They
You're
are.
walking up and getting buckied.
What the fuck?
Eh?
Oh shit, we're all
They're breaking all
teaming.
your stuff. Yeah, fast.
Oh, there's 3.
They do have a judge!
Dude, I was super blind.
Mark it. He has a vandal now. I need Tristan, yeah. Oh,
Oh, I'm
It's
fucking
Jet.
blind as shit, man.
Spike planted.
Jet market.
Too late.
Oh, breach.
Wait,
oh,
close
breach,
market,
oh,
close
breach,
market.
Oh, no. Go be it. Breach, you know they're both there.
Close.
One enemy
Mark it. I
Mark
promise.
it.
Hold it. Hold it. Breach.
Sick breach.
Last player
Is
standing.
it a shotgun?
Bro, if he just tucks in the corner, dude. God.
Oh my gosh, he's
Oh,
exposed.
I didn't have it.
He's exposed. Wow.
This breach. Bro.
Breach. Should've stuck.
My fault. Did not.
No.
I jinxed it.
No, that is not your fault.
It's not your
You did what
fault.
you had
Our
to do.
breach, you held. He didn't. He should have stuck half. He could have just went it there because he got half.
He's like staring at the phone.
Yeah, I just
Inspecting.
Yeah.
was like trying to
I'm gonna save and use knives here. I can.
save.
Yeah.
We rich. Buy at least a little like frenzy or something. I don't know.
Frenzy. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's like a mini Spectre.
Really?
It is just less ammo. It's the same stats and everything. Top mid, a lot, at least 2.
Is it really the same?
I'm
It
switching
is.
them, sorry.
Just less ammo. Be joining. Top mid, at least 2. Might be trying to
Three,
fake.
three.
That's
Go
3,
back in,
yeah.
go back
Go
in.
away. I'm moving to Irby.
Cover going out.
Pick up mid. They
Broke
broke
door.
Who's next?
Still in sight.
Pick.
Two more. And then yours on site.